I just want to show you guys this really cool toolbox I found. Right there. And in there you got everything you need to fix an Aussie helicopter. The things that you should have, your, what do you call that? Swash plate leveler. And then you got your fly bar locks. These are some other gadgets right here for leveling your swash that I may use from time to time. All your Allens, your balling, pliers, pitch gauges, soldering iron. Everything fits in there, man, nice and handy. This is nice. I like this box. Just wanted to show it off. Only thing sucks about it is by it being so small and having your whole career in there like that, man. Once it's gone, everything. Anyway, thanks for watching, fellas.